This is the S03 RGB pocket lamp from Weeylite, and this is such a convenient little light to use on a regular basis. It can be used for multiple purposes, such as for instance this type of videos, some creative effects, or even product photography. And it connects via Bluetooth or even via the Weeylite app through some kind of magic. The light itself is very adjustable to very soft or to any color you desire. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about this little light, but first, what comes in the box. And as you see, it comes in a very small compact box, and inside of this box, it has a little cold shoe mount, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and the light itself, of course. But how does it actually works, right? The first thing that you need to do is to install the Weeylite app. After installing, it pretty much speaks for itself. You can adjust the colors, the brightness, the saturation, and also select some effects. You can also select some presets or create and save your own settings. You can even pick a color so that the light will select the same color as well. How cool is that? But as you see, this light doesn't have any LED screens or anything, so how do you know what the battery status is? Well, it has this little light that flashes, and as you see in this little chart, it tells you what each flash means. The battery itself during my testing lasted for around 30 minutes or so, but this is also depending on how you use it and the brightness level of the light. What I really like about this little device is that you can just put it anywhere you want, such as for instance right here behind my head on the monitor, and then you can leave it there as it is and just use the app to change the colors. This makes it a very convenient device to use. The other thing is that you can use this light as a video light during dark conditions. You don't see anything, or maybe you see my face just a little bit because I'm filming now on ISO 1000. And here I am back at it again. I do want to thank Weeylite for sending this product to me to test it out, to review it, but as always my videos is entirely based on my own personal experiences and the way that I use it. And the experience was nothing but positive. Alright, so that's it for this quick little video. Make sure to check out the link down in the description and use the 10% discount code as well, because I think that this will be a great gift for aspiring YouTubers and also filmmakers, but also photographers in general. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video. Comment down below what do you think about this little device. If you got any questions, let me know as well. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Good luck.